Hi, this is Nora, and today we're going to talk about Sobha's latest launch in Sanaya Island, that's Marina Residence. I mean, we have seen the amount of launches they have done in Sanaya Island, and as each building launches in, we can see how the prices have been increasing. So let me give you a little insight about Marina Residences. So first, let's talk about the location. I'm pretty sure by now we all know where Sanaya Island is. It's just minutes away from the Al Marjan Island. The Sanaya Island is UAE's one of the most pristine natural retreats. Here you have 1.7 kilometer of bridge which makes the accessibility seamless and keeps the island private. Here everything is kept natural. The natural mangroves, you have the wildlife, then the beaches. The whole aim of this project is to make it ultra luxury where you're closer to the nature as well. Now let's talk about connectivity. You're just 10 minutes from the Al Marjan Island, just 30 minutes from Sharjah and 50 minutes from Dubai. So if you're looking for a quick getaway or looking for a permanent escape, then this island is perfect for you. I mean, imagine this, a private island with direct beach access, with world-class yacht club, a vibrant marina promenade where you have the resorts, you have the retails, all in all that screams luxury, a 18-hole championship golf course, then you have the water sports and outdoor activities, you have floating cinema experience, you have rowing and water activities. So there's so much to do in this island. Now that was all about the day. At night, the island entirely transforms into some fine dining. You have the buzzing nightlife, you have the sunset yacht parties, and there is so much going on in this island. It's a perfect blend of entertainment and relaxation. Now let's see what Marina Residences has to offer us. So here you are getting spacious layouts, you're getting fully fitted, furnished home, you're getting the smart technology and a beautiful panoramic sea view. All in all, you're getting a sustainable lifestyle. That is, everything over here is made up of non-toxic materials, which promotes healthy lifestyle. Here there are 4 towers, A, B, C, structure of G+7 floors, and Tower B has 9 floors. Here you're getting 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartments with the starting price of 1.23 million dirham. Their payment plan, very flexible. It's 60-40, 60% during construction, 40% on handover. Living here is just more than an experience. You're getting so many other things, such as you have infinity pool that blends with the horizon, a state-of-the-art wellness center and spa, a fully equipped gym, lush parks and landscape gardens, children play areas, helipad and air taxi services, tennis court, beach volleyball areas, a crystal clear lagoon. So why to invest in Sanaya Island? Firstly, exclusive inventory. Sanaya Island is newly developed and these are low-rise buildings. That means there is more demand for it to sell out quickly. This particular building is quite exclusive. High ROI potential. With the limited supply and located on a prime location, property value here are projected to be appreciated significantly. Investors can expect a strong rental yield, especially with managed property services, making it very easy to lease it out. Another reason why Sanaya Island is a great investment is because the closer proximity to Al Marjan Island. I mean, you're just 10 minutes from Al Marjan Island, where there is the world's largest casino coming up, the Wynn Casino. That means more visitors will be visiting, and the demand for property in that specific area will be quite high. Why does it matter for Sanaya Island? Because, like I said, you're just 10 minutes from the Al Marjan Island. So Sanaya Island automatically gets this spillover effect. That is high demand, rising property value, and increased tourism interest. Most tourists and business travelers prefer waterfront properties, and Sanaya Island screams luxury overall. So this means that there will be a strong rental demand for this particular project. Investors here will get the early mover advantage before the prices go up. Now, Sanaya Island is a master community. That is, you not only have apartments, you have villas, you have resorts, restaurants, malls. It's a self-sustaining luxury hub. All in all, this project is a smart investment and hassle-free management. You can own, rent and earn without actually actively searching for the tenants. So all you think, this island is a dream project. I mean, you have everything right here. It focuses on luxury at a reasonable pricing. So this was all about Marina Residences. If you're interested and want to know more about this project, then contact me on the number given below and I will catch you back in the next video.